You guys ready? Alright guys, well welcome to the video today. Today we are going to open, well not so much open the pool, we're just going to hook up the filter and finish filling the pool with water. So, we already took the garbage bag off that was on it. Now what do we do, girls?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
The filter? Okay. Do you know if we need to fill that with water before we... What do you think? I think we gotta hook this hose up
Yes.
to this. So there we go. Halfway good. We need to go get a screwdriver. That's what we need to do. Have to be totally honest with you guys. I'm only this much excited we have a pool. We're gonna hook this hose up. Looks like it hooks up there, and then we gotta put this thing down here. So we got it all hooked up and we decided to have the first bonfire at the new house. The next day, the neighbor's dog stopped over and gave Shelly a scare. Then we worked on getting the pool cover off, which you can imagine how much fun that was. But once we got the pool cover off, we had our nice little green pool. It wasn't as bad as we thought it was going to be. As you can see, there's stuff on the bottom. Our vacuum hose was broke, but we found a new part for it, and then we were able to start vacuuming the pool. It kind of looks like a lake right now, but we slowly are learning how to take care of a pool. But it's actually kind of fun, and I don't think it's that bad as of yet. But the girls were excited to help the next day, vacuum the pool again. And then we had to figure out how many gallons of water were in our pool, so we used this little formula, and then in a few days we were able to do that. First time in the pool.
Get set.
Go! No! Amelia was the first one!
Is it warm?
Okay, I gotta try to hold it a little bit so it don't float up, okay?
You're right! Can we just go down there?
Go ahead.
How was it, Amelia?
Is it cold?
You can dive under the water and put them
No!
roots under there to hold the flame.
Go, Lola, go!
Watch out, Neil, so you can get out.
Jump, Lola, jump! Cannonball! So yeah, the pool ended up clearing up pretty nice. I don't know if we just got lucky, or if they always had a easy time opening the pool. But we also ended up cleaning and resealing the deck out off the west side of the house. So now that's all protected. That's also a fun project. I wish I had made a video about that, but it was a little bit boring. We're still trying to figure out these silly little strips. And here is the cat trying to take a peek at the pool. And then while I was out in the barn, I realized this is going to start happening a lot. But it's like Little House on the Prairie here. What's going on, Lola?
Is it okay if I go into the pool with the boys?
Is Mom letting the boys go in the pool?
Yeah.
Mom's gonna watch you.
Yep.
Yeah, so it cleared up pretty good, and the girls feel like they're pretty much pool experts now. So give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed that. And also another neat thing is the DTE app has this thing where you can scan the wire and see how much your piece of equipment is going to cost you for the month. So pray for us that this is not how much it's going to cost. If you want to see more videos, make sure you click one of the links on the screen or one in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.